Warrior Leather has hundreds of tiny pores that allow air to flow through and moisture vapor to transfer out. Warrior Leather's moisture vapor transfer rate is superior to cattle hide. This built-in climate control keeps your feet cool and dry in hot weather, warm and dry in cold. Warrior Leather absorbs less water inside and out, so it dries quicker than cattle hide. Breathable, Warrior Leather technology manages water and foot perspiration better than any other leather available. Warrior Leather is softer and lighter than cattle hide, with a much easier break-in period. Additional foot and body comfort are provided by Bates DuraShock's patented and proven comfort technology. Multiple compression pads in the heel and forefoot work together to absorb shock and return energy. Less body and foot fatigue provides you with more energy,